Obele, how did you get to know this kind of place?
How important is that? The most important is that there is a place and that place will find solution.
And what about the car we left here?
Oh, Arinze, they have to go to the car. When something is more important, we go for that thing. And if the car, nothing will happen to the car. Even if something is that more important than what we are going for, let's go. I have to go to the boat. Nothing will happen to the car.
Are you sure?
Arinze, I am very sure. I'm 100% sure. Ota can be to the other side. Come.
No matter what you do in this life, people must criticize you. Not because they are perfect, no better than you, but because of jealousy for not being like you. They always forget that once a destiny person is always destined to be great. Akaraka neduya, akaraka mwaduya.
What if he doesn't come back for the page tomorrow?
Arinze should better come back. He should better return. Because I am going to unleash another attack on him that will attract the attention of the whole world. He shouldn't even dare me. He shouldn't try it.
Honestly, who could ever believe that our brother Arinze would do such an evil thing? Like Arinze have this evil heart. You know, they say a heart of man is evil. But I never thought Arinze could be this evil.
Arinze will not believe what will befall him if he fails to prove what exactly happened to our father. I am going to set that his city house ablaze with him inside. Yes, he needs to know what it feels like to be restless. He can't make my father restless and he's there living life. It doesn't work that way. No, it doesn't.
This is so bad.
Arinze. Arinze. How far has your friend gone with the whole investigation?
Trust me, he's on it.
He hasn't come up with any clue?
Not yet. But he's working on it.
Your father is dead long ago. Dead and gone. He didn't just die. He died alongside his two friends. He died in the most inhuman way. That is why his spirit keeps hovering around your home for your siblings to see. His soul is stuck in the pillars of your home. Do you want to journey to the past of your father?
Yes. Yes.
Then let your conscience guide you.
My heart is heavy. My brother
Don't touch me! Somebody go down! Go down! Somebody go down! I'm begging now. The last week, but you never come. Eh? I can't see that. Go down, Mazi. Go down.
Very good. It's okay, it's time to bury them. You bury this one here. Bury the other one there. And bury this one here. Oh yeah, let's go. You have seen the inside, right?
Sure, nice one. I like it.
I told you you're going to like it.
It fits the description of my client. Sir, please, I hope he's legit.
You don't need to ask that kind of question. This is my house. I'm a serving member of House of Representative. You already know that. So, you and your client is in a very good hands.
Oh, thank God. You know, my client is also one of the newly made men in town.
Wow.
Yes, he asked me to get something fit like this to surprise his family with.
What I built here is paradise. You don't have anything to worry about. I'm sure that you're not disappointed. Your clients will not be disappointed.
Very well then. Please, let's go back to my office to finalize the paperwork, please.
Papa, set his soul free. Papa was killed. Set his soul free. Papa was killed. Set his soul free. Set his soul free.
Papa, I don't think Arinze is guilty of this accusation at all. I don't think so.
So, Buchi, what are you insinuating?
You elders should let this matter be and let them settle amicably. They are siblings, for God's sake.
Didn't you listen to what the sister said concerning the appearance of their father to them in the house and other strange things that happened there?
Papa, that is not enough reasons to accuse him of killing his father.
Listen very carefully. The death of Nnabike is very, very suspicious. And let me ask you this question. How comes that it's after he's missing that Arinze made his money?
Papa, does that make him a ritualist?
Buchi, if you don't have anything reasonable to say concerning this matter, please just back out.
Papa, think about it too. They are siblings. They are family, for God's sake. You people should just let them be.
The old one. Please, how do we unravel the mystery that is going on in my friend's life now without us exposing what we do? And at least proving that my friend is innocent.
Their spirits are chained in the world. Nobody that steps into that house will ever have peace until they are given a befitting and proper burial. And if you are scared that your illegal business will be exposed, worry not. Their soul needs befitting and proper burial.
In that case, old one, I'm trying to understand. Does it mean that we need to exhume the dead bodies? Because if that's the case, those dead bodies are buried inside the foundation. that means the whole structure has to be demolished.
Exactly. Demolish the structures. Exhume their bodies. Give them befitting burial to avert the calamity that is about to befall you, Arinze.
Then it's a full building, no? It's a big house.
Yes,
It's a very big house.
Demolish the building. Exhume their body. Give them a befitting and proper burial to avert calamity, Arinze.
So it's alright, old one. We'll do as you have advised.
Demolish the building. Exhume their bodies. Give them befitting and proper burial to avert calamity, Arinze.
Oh, please stop. Girl, it is possible. The reason a man will be so concerned about a girl's family is only when he's in love with her. So Buchi is in love with you.
Buchi is my friend. You know that already. He has been my friend for a very long time now, right? So what are you saying?
Yes, I know he's your friend, but I would advise you confront him and ask him his reasons for showing so much care.
Yes, he's just showing so much concern because he's my friend. That's all. Nothing more.
I know Buchi is your friend, but as a lawyer, I see something different. He's beginning to care so much for you. And you need to ask this guy to be sure. Huh?
Chinwe.
Yes.
If you know you want to help me out to make this food,
I'm not helping.
You come and help me. If you don't want to help me,
I am not
get out.
helping. Don't worry. I'm out already.
Don't conclude before you think. One name on where it comes. Think very well before you come to conclusion. Mind where you pass your own judgment.
Let me say something. Don't staring at me like this. You just stood there and keep staring at me. Say something.
Buchi, what is your purpose of involving yourself in my family matter?
Oh yeah. All I want is peace for your family. Peace.
Why? You are not a member of my family. You are not one of the elders. You are not the chief priest. Neither are you related to my family. So why?
Should I tell her I'm in love with her? No, Buchi. Don't. Control your emotions. It might worse the whole idea.
You're not saying anything. Why are you silent?
Sorry. See, listen. If your brother gets angry,
He might decide to leave you and your sister and travel abroad. And there's nothing both of you can do about it.
Is that what you think? Now, how do you see my sister and I? That we can't stand fame and fight for my father's justice?
See, I never said so, okay? But I think your brother is innocent of the accusation. And I think it is high time you girls pay attention to you and let this be, okay? Moreover, your father is dead and he's not coming back to life.
You know why you're saying this is because you didn't go to the city with us. If you had experienced what we experienced, you won't stand here talking this rubbish. Well, it is obvious you don't have any good reason involving yourself in my family matter. So, I would advise you back off.
Yeah. Please don't do this.
can we not do this? Just listen to me.
I would have told her what I feel for her, but I couldn't. I got the opportunity, but I couldn't express myself. Oh God, Buchi, you can't afford to have another heartbreak. Just take it through before you tell her. I love her, only if she will love me back.
Don't conclude before you think. One name
Okon, good day.
Good day.
I'm actually rushing to your house.
Hope all is well.
All is not well at all. All is not well, Okon. I hope you are not planning, convincing Arinze not to take that oath.
Was I siding him that day in the meeting?
I don't know. Maybe you have decided to take bribe from him.
Man, Arinze cannot take care of me or give me anything to make me to sway my decision. I take good care of myself. No amount of money Arinze can give me that my children cannot give me. Okay?
I don't care. I don't care how much your children gives to you. What I mean is that if you have such plan, desist from it. Don't even do anything like that at all. Now, coming to think of it, are you not surprised about the death of my brother? It cannot be easily forgotten now. We cannot forget about his death.
Today you are losing.
How?
You are now doing as if you care about his death.
What is that supposed to be, Akono?
Yeah.
Happy over my brother's death?
Then let me educate you more. I know you're a very bad man. Who knows what you are going to do on that swearing day so that Arinze will die in order for you to take everything?
How dare you say such to me? Don't try that again.
And if I do, what will happen?
Okono.
Yes?
Okono.
Yes?
Before you think very well before you come to conclusion. You pass your own judgment.
Madam, it don't start again, no. It don't start. The evil was past before. This time,
Are you serious?
everywhere just full.
Okay, calm down. Where are you?
Madam, you not gonna understand. People voice, they holler, they cry, they scream for this house. Go inside, go outside.
Where is Arinze?
No, madam. Since yesterday, he never come back. He come out since yesterday, he not come back. I have call his phone self. His phone number they switch off.
You just need to calm down, okay? Just calm down. Do you have the key to the main house?
No, madam. I'm not there with you. Key there with you now.
Oh, yes, that's true. Just try. Just leave the house. Look for a more secure place, a safer place to stay. Leave that house, okay? I'll be coming to the city anytime soon.
Madam, not be soon matter. I'll make you come now.
Sorry, yeah? Though? Sorry.
Nanya, what do you think he's up to?
You see, if Arinze is hiding or running in order not to come to this village, then he must be more stupid than I thought.
I will just call Mr. Johnson and inform him.
No, not yet. Why do you want to call Johnson? Calling Johnson is more like you getting the police involved. And you know we don't have enough evidence to back up our claims. You of all people should know this.
In as much as we are trying to gather enough evidence to pin him down, I feel so worried for the poor gatekeeper. I do not want anything to happen to him.
I already told him that I'll be coming to the city anytime soon. So relax.
Okay. I know you want to go to the city, but I will not let you go alone. You can't go alone. Your safety matters a lot.
You can't come with me either. You need to be here. Remember the oath taking was rescheduled for tomorrow. So what if the elders or the chief priest comes here? Who are they going to find? Nobody. So you need to stay here and take care of things.
You're right. Sis, since you'll be going to the house all alone, please, I want you to be careful, knowing that that house is filled with evil. You're my only sibling I have at this moment. Please, if you notice anything unhealthy or you feel unsafe in that house, please do not hesitate to call me so that I can call Mr. Johnson to storm in there with his men. I don't know what is wrong with Arinze.
I just told you to take Johnson off this.
I will, but for now, I still need him.
I knew it. Arinze's wealth isn't ordinary. Something is definitely behind it. If he is innocent, then why did he run away? I remember years back when he used to tell me that he needed a quick money. It's all making sense to me now.
Arinze, you are becoming too money conscious lately. You need to take it easy with this your quick money thing. Arinze, don't tell me you're now doing yahoo yahoo.
What kind of business is that?
Arinze, I want you to know the family you're coming out from. You need to mind the kind of friends you keep. Please, I don't know the kind of business you're doing, but just be careful, okay?
Hey, Arinze, you want money, hit money. Okay, no problem. But shall take care of yourself and be careful. Be careful. Remember the family you're coming out from. Be careful, please. Alright, bye.
Arinze, I'll quick money. To slow down, life is not like that. Don't even touch you.
Nonye, why are you bothered about his words?
Chinwe, the country is hard. I don't want him to fall into temptation.
So let me tell you, Nonye, destinies are different. For the fact that others find it difficult to make it in Nigeria does not mean he will experience the same thing. Arinze is different.
I don't want him to start thinking towards, Yahoo or rituals.
Hi, Nanya Biko. Ritual. How? Arinze, see, let me tell you. Arinze, our brother, cannot think of evil. So I'm not sure he will even think of doing such a thing. He can't even hurt a fly. He's a cool guy. Biko, think of something else. Or some ritual.
Okay, well, if you say so. Just watching out. Nothing much.
I know.
I don't understand. Why is Arinze not taking his calls? Going on now, eh? Hello, Arinze. I've been trying your number for the past 2 hours now. You're not taking your calls. Anyway, I'm calling to let you know that Chinwe has gone back to school. What kind of business meeting is that you can't take excuse and take your family call? Hello? Hello? Arinze? Arinze? I don't understand this meeting that you can't just take your family call. Yeah, Arinze. I think I know what to do. I should confront Obele. Yes. I have to do that. Because I need to know the kind of business they do that is unknown.
Arinze, you really need to see how anxious your sister was. She was so anxious to know what business, what we're doing. I was so surprised myself. You needed to be there. She was so anxious. What is it you're doing? Probably suspecting that you're a ritualist or that you know stuff like that. We are into something. But no matter what, I tried to use every form of logic and diplomacy. But no matter what, Arinze, no matter what, remember, don't ever, no matter the pressure from anybody, doesn't matter who the person is, nobody at all should ever pressurize you to expose the secret of our business or your business. Exactly. I'm glad you're understanding the point. Never. This is like an advice and also a warning as a brother. Do not. I remember very well, my boss, this was the advice he gave to me before he left Nigeria. And trust me, this is one of the secrets of my success. The fact that I kept the secret of my business, you say? I'm telling you, yeah, he said that to me. And that's since then I've been holding on to that advice. I never share the secret of my business to anybody. And that is why I am where I am today. So Arinze, you need to be very careful because other people might come to use psychology and all this. That's what she was even trying to do with me. And secondly, you need to be careful, please. This is the first time for this deal. Please ensure that this deal goes through. This is like a deal breaker for you. Your life will change, I'm assuring you that. Your life will change forever. So ensure this happens. Your life will change forever. Have I ever failed you? Please do your best. Be very careful. Be vigilant and listen to your instinct. Everything we talked about, just do it exactly like that. Exactly. So when you come back, my brother, you will see the difference in your life. You will see how people respect you. You know that money answers all things. You know that, in fact, treat this thing as your life, Arinze. Take it as if you're fighting for your life or you're trying to get your life back. The life you've never had. Put all your effort, and I know this. My instinct tells me that you will succeed. You know, Biko, be careful, be vigilant, very vigilant, and listen to your instinct. And remember, do not forget, I'm saying this again, do not forget, do not talk to anybody about our business. Not at all. I trust you. Arizona the Drifter. That's going to be your new title. I said that already when you come around. Well, no problem. When you come back, you will see your life will change. You understand what it means to have money. Not just money. You know there's difference between money and too much money. My own is just do what you need. My instinct tells me you're going to succeed one day. But be careful. Remember everything, all the instructions, you follow them. As I directed you, just do that. Every advice, you follow it. And trust me, you will come back successfully. And everything will change. All that have spoken evil of you will speak good. Exactly. Please be careful. And don't forget, I will keep repeating this. Do not discuss anything that has to do with your business with anybody. I mean, not even with a woman or even a man or brother, sister, uncle or auntie. Please, except the person is directly involved. I've already told you, And that is the same thing that I adhered to. That's why I'm here. And I want you to be here one day, and that's going to be soon. All right, now we've said enough because I'm driving. Let me concentrate and drive. There's no problem. No problem. It's well. Okay. Arinze, okay, we'll talk later. Arinze, this guy will succeed.
How on earth do you expect Obele to reveal their business to you while he's still Arinze's boss?
It's not like I had another option. I had to confront him.
Come on, sis. Obele is not going to tell you the truth. It seems you don't know him yet.
You see, Arinze, your brother. Arinze can run for all I care. But he will still come back to this house and explain to me what happened to my father.
That's fine. We just have to calm down. He won't run forever. Right? Let's go in. Nonya, let's go. Go.
God of God, my peaceful family has gone astray. We eat and play together. Now, all of us can't even sit down and have peaceful discussion just because of Arinze's wickedness. Arinze, why did you allow the devil to use you? So you have the mind to use Papa for money ritual, and now you are nowhere to be found? God, please come to our aid.
Papa? No, Papa. Papa, I'm afraid he might have traveled out of the country without telling anyone.
No, it's not possible. He cannot just travel like that.
Papa, anything is possible. And that is more reason why I told you people to let it be. Because he can make a move and no one can do anything about it.
Okay, if you say so. When I see Nanyelim and Chinwe, I will tell them that he has not picked their call. Moreover, I have the Umuna meeting to attend and I'm already running late. Let me go and get ready. I'm good.
Papa, I'm worried though. I'm really worried.
Think very well before you come to conclusion. You pass your own judgment. Think very well before you come to conclusion. Mind the way you pass your own judgment.
Since Arinze has decided not to pick anyone's phone call, I will pay him an unexpected visit. Who knows? He might be around and ask his gate man to lie.
this one that her number is switched off. Ha. I hope she's fine. I just hope that Arinze has not hurt her. Else I will pull the trigger on his head and shoot him to death. Okay, oh, no problem. I just pray my sister is fine. I just pray my sister is fine. Uncle, I'm very worried though. I am very worried. I even called the gate man and he said he has not seen her, that she didn't even come close to Arinze's house.
Where could she be?
I don't know. I just know she's safe. I don't know where my sister is.
Okay, my dear. Just calm down. She's safe. She's alright. Nothing will happen to her. Okay, calm down.
Uncle.
Yes.
Uncle.
Yes.
I pray Arinze has not used my sister for ritual. Okay, so if Arinze has used my sister for ritual, guess what? This planet will not contain the both of us. I will make Arinze understand that I am the scammer. He cannot kill my father and now wants to take my sister out. I won't let that happen, Uncle.
I agree. Calm down. She's safe.
Let me go and ask anybody I see on the road, give them, save my sister. Uncle, can you go there? Let me see if I can ask anybody around.
Okay.
Nurse.
Sir.
Where's the man that brought her?
I'm sure he'll be at the reception.
After all the sacrifice he made, just for us to make it in life. Oh God, this wasn't the plan. Jima, this wasn't Papa's wish. Achorami funama. Papa, where are you?
Yes. I understand your demand that reported yourself as the one that determined the precious.
Yes, doctor. So how is she feeling?
She's in a very critical condition right now. It's a matter of fact she's in a state of coma. Yes. Due to the severe heat she got on the head. And haven't placed now in the necessary medication. What we can do right now is to go and go control the she wants to have kids soon enough.
Oh God, please don't let anything happen to that lady.
She'll be fine. Moreover, have you reported to the nearest police station about the incident to know if they can contact her closest relative?
No doctor. I was afraid they will arrest me and take my car from me.
Don't talk like that. You know what? I will give you a written note and a number you will call when you get to the police station. So that they can attend to you. Is that okay?
That would be good. Thank you very much, doctor. I really appreciate it.
With everything in me.
I be sick and worried. I didn't hear from you. They signed the oath taking of your nephew, Arinze. So I decided to come myself and found out the outcome. What happened? Did you finally change your mind?
How will I do that? How will I do that? I am as confused as you are. Since I did not see neither my brother's children, so I don't know what is happening. I don't know what they are doing. Like I said, I'm confused.
In that case, it is also for our own advantage. Since everybody is busy preparing, So I think we'll use this opportunity to go and see the chief priest himself.
My concern is if he willing to play ball, because I don't want us to land ourselves into a serious trouble.
Why? For what? If we give him his own share, the man is ready to comply.
Well, in that case, let me go inside and put on the clothes so that we start moving now.
No problem, change. Let's go.
Papa, we've been looking for you. Papa, where have you been? Everyone thought you're dead. I was even accusing Arinze for killing you, not knowing you're here. Papa, please. We need to go back. Okay, let's go back.
I am dead. Stop fighting your brother Arinze. Now look into my eyes. No, you look into my eyes.
I'm looking. Okay.
Look into my eyes!
I'm looking.
Look into my eyes.
Now, wow, who can't do this? Since morning, only that client welcomes saying he need workers. Nobody again. I can't bend the go. Waiting the night now. See, yesterday, if you did the time where I enter house, very late in the night, I just they go like a person welcome tea. I know by the time all my children don't go to sleep. I think my wife will come home me like this. What you about there? Papa gets where money. I tell them say no money, I no work anything today. Now that woman shout. All the members of our they gather today, and they don't solve that problem. And see now, very early in the morning. I know if you put the now this country, when things are 2,500 naira, how person will survive for this country?
Now, my brother, God will answer our prayers.
Which kind God?
Yeah, God will answer our prayers. One day, very soon now, He will answer our prayers.
Which kind God? But you see that you are God.
Anything when that you already start in thought.
Maybe say that you are God for my ear. Any the way you see me for that your church. You know say most way they pursue me. I don't go church again. And that your God when maybe I'm not to be all this mansion when they there. God. My friend go sit down.
Who are you that this man they call you? I go answer them.
It's like that your God.
God don't answer.
Okay. Pano. Now the problem is my neck. See the jeep where they it's a need professional.
No.
Oh, Pabia.
You have to go again.
See today, God don't answer our prayer today. Amen. You see this man right here. The type of job we want make we do for him. If we do am carefully, do am fast. When we say for the next 1 month, we no go look for job again. Food go dey for our table break again. Allah, and all our family go enjoy. The problem be say the man need 3 persons. Myself including other 2 persons wey go dey well known for that job where we dey go so. And this thing, if we do am very well, now be say everything done.
You know what I'm saying? Let me follow you up with this answer up.
Okay, we can come. Okay, we can come.
Let's go now.
Oga, I can see that there are some laborers already working here. What else do you want us to do, since there are people already working here, sir?
Are you here to work or you want to keep asking questions?
I'm sorry, sir. I'm not here to ask questions. So what else do you want us to do, sir?
I want you to do, right? You know what? I want to use 3 of you to do the foundation of this place.
Hey! Okay, please now, we didn't do anything. We did not insult you. You said you want a laborer.
Security, get this man down. Get this man down. Hey, you!
Somebody go down. I beg you now. The last week, but you never come. Eh? I can't do that. Go down, Mazi. Go down.
Very good. It's okay, it's time to bury them. You bury this one here. Bury the other one there. And bury this one here. Oh yeah, let's go.
You have seen the inside, right? Sure, nice one. I like it.
I told you are going to like it.
It fits the description of my client. Sir, please, I hope he's legit.
You don't need to ask that kind of question. This is my house. I'm a serving member of House of Representative. You already know that. So, you and your client is in a very good hands.
Oh, thank God. You know, my client is also one of the newly made men in town.
Wow.
Yes, he asked me to get something fit like this to surprise his family with.
What I built here is paradise. You don't have anything to worry about. I'm sure that you're not disappointed. Your client will not be disappointed.
Very well then. Please, let's go back to my office to finalize the paperwork, please.
No matter how good you are, they must criticize you. If you become a poor person in this life, if you get rich, even if you're educated, Igorozi mancha, okanjo, household enemy.
Who be that? Now you buy that? Now you buy the gate? Now your papa be this? Eh? Now you buy her?
Where is that ritualist? Where is that reason your woman? Arinze! Arinze on your way go come outside. I'm in your house. Eh? Look at them all. This is where the ritualist lives. This is he. He's a killer in your company, your estate. But you don't know. This is the house of the ritualist. You don't know the evil man living in this estate with you. Look at him.
What's the meaning of this madness?
Arinze, where is Nonya, my sister? Where did you bury her body? Eh? Okay? Look at him. I am here with your estate security. I am here with Nigerian police. And the next time I will come to your house, Arinze, I will come with soldiers. Arinze, I am ready for you. I will fight you spiritual, physical, financially, Arinze. I will fight you legally. I am ready. Look at him. Arrest him. I told you I will send you to prison.
There's no need for that.
Why?
No need.
Look at him. Do your job. This is the ritualist. He's the man that killed my only sister.
Oh, Mr. Rachel. Agent Johnson is my name. I am from the state CID. You're wanted at the station for questioning.
He said, arrest this man. Why would you want to question him? He's a murderer.
Calm down.
Arinze, you are a ritualist.
Calm down.
You are a killer. He murdered my father.
Okay, calm down.
Where is my sister?
That part yet. Calm down.
Arinze, where is Nonya?
Calm down. I'm doing my job. Calm
it
down.
has not ended though. This war has not ended.
Okay.
What are you even saying? Arrested who? What? I don't know. By who? Arinze, when did this happen? Okay, calm down. See, calm down. Do not panic. Do not say anything to anyone at all. Just keep quiet. Don't mention anything at all. Let's watch and see. Arinze, calm down. I'm the one talking. Probably one hour ago. Calm down. But do not say him. Do not answer any question at all. You will see a call will come just very soon. Just relax there. I will come back. Can you imagine?
The almighty big brother. Finally we met. I'm sorry it has to be in this way. But all the same, here we are. Now straight to business. When was the last time you saw the other sister of yours in Nigeria? And are you aware she's been missing for 24 hours now?
What? Nonya missing? I was with Nonya a couple of days ago at the village before I left.
Let's cut the chase. I've been very close to her family for a while now. Circumstances, though, have not granted both of us the opportunity of seeing each other. I'm also aware of the trauma that has been unfolding between you and your two sisters. Which personally, I think you should have find a more peaceful way of resolving the issues rather than...
Wait, officer.
All this dust.
Are you in any way insinuating that I know the whereabouts of my sister? I'm just getting to know she's missing now. What happened?
Noye had left the village for the city here in the house. And since then, she has never made it back home.
Noye. Officer, if Noye is seriously missing, then how do we find her? How do we find my sister, officer?
Is that not Arinze entering that car now? Why?
He's just been granted bail to be called on if and when needed.
Moreover, he was just brought in for questioning.
Questioning? While my sister is nowhere to be found. And you let that monster go? What did he give to you? Answer me.
Excuse me?
Johnson, how much did he give to you? What did he buy for you? Start explaining. I filed for his arrest. And I went to secure a legal petition to charge him with. And to bring him before the law court of Nigeria. Yes, you let him go. Do you know what it means to have your father for ritual? Do you know?
Can you listen to yourself? Oh, wait a minute. Is this how the whole family drama has eaten you up, eating you to? What has come over you? Is this some smart lawyer I fell in love with? You went to secure a petition to charge him before a competent jurisdiction? Based on what crime? No, tell me, what evidence will you present before a competent law court? You present all your facts on a mere hearsay? Who is standing as your witness? Is it your father's ghost?
They must criticize you if you become a purpose in this life. If you get rich, even if you're educated, ignorance manja, okanjo, household enemy. I wanna talk. People are wicked.
I'm sure that must be something.
Is she the one?
Yes.
This is her sister. Doctor. Yes, sir. I see, but why is her condition? What really happened? Well, as I told the driver that brought her in earlier, she's in coma as a result of the severe hit she got on the head, of which we have administered proper medications to her. Right now, we have to just hope on God and pray that she gets better.
Hope on God. Doctor, is my sister alive?
Yes.
Is my sister going to die?
No, she's okay. She's totally fine.
Is she breathing? Is she going to live?
What is all this? Calm down.
Hey!
Madam, calm down.
I'm calm. I'm calm. Am I complaining? I am not talking. Don't see no people here. Have you not seen this?
What happened to her now?
I want to use my sister for ritual.
God is using her for
He wants to give her sister, doctor.
Madam, please calm down.